Prospect report sharing helps you capture, engage, and convert clients by positioning yourself as an expert. But what if you could expand that connection worldwide? With this update, you can do it by sending or exporting your marketing audit reports in 13 different languages. Let's check how it works. Choose the language when sharing reports via web URL. Click Export and choose your language when exporting the report as a PDF. If you're unsure, prospects can switch languages themselves while viewing the report. This familiar process has changed slightly with the language configurations, so let's learn how to share them. Head to the Prospecting tab in the Marketing section, then click one of your reports. Click Show Report in the top right corner to continue. Click Export PDF to download a copy, or click Share Report. Select your sending method and select the sharing language before sending. Lastly, simply fill in the contact details or send them the sharing link. This will grant them access to the report you've created, which will begin your conversion journey. We hope you enjoy it.